Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to copy and paste using our keyboard. So we can copy and paste using our mouse, but we can actually use a keyboard shortcut. We can use a combination of buttons on our keyboard to copy and paste any text that we find. So our two keyboard shortcuts are Control plus C and Control plus V. So our first one here, this one is going to copy the text, and the computer will store that text in its little brain ready for us to press Control V, which is paste. So I'm going to show you that now. So I've got my screen here, I've got my Google Doc with a sentence here that I want to copy and paste because I really like the sentence. So I'm going to use my mouse to drag and select over the whole sentence. I'm going to hit Control C on my keyboard, and I'm going to put my cursor where I want to paste that text and hit Control and V. Now it's important to make sure that we're holding down Control when we're hitting C or V. If we just hit V, then obviously a V will appear, and if we just hit C by itself, then a C will appear. So we need to make sure that we're holding down C and V at the same time as Control. So we can take this copied text, because it's still copied in the computer's brain, and we can paste it anywhere, whether that's in an address bar or anywhere that text can be put. We can also take text from different places. So here I've got a Kiwi Kids News article opened up to New Zealand's first online supermarket opens, and I really like that headline. I want to use that headline, so I'm going to select the text, hold Control and press C, go back to my Google Doc and hold down Control V, and it will paste it into my Google Doc. It's a really handy tip to know so that we don't have to type out everything that we see. So that's how we copy and paste using Control C and Control V. It can take a little while to get used to hold down one button and press another button at the same time, but once we get the hang of it, it's really easy and a really great tool to use when we're doing any piece of work.